Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Trident Talks ahead of RSA later this month. We're all really excited. I'm Max Horseman. I'm a principal consultant here at Trident Search, and I'm joined by Adam Vincent, current CEO and founder of Bricklayer AI and former CEO and founder of Threat Connect, amongst many other things. Adam, I really appreciate you carving out time. I know how busy you've been in the build up to this. Please, can you introduce yourself for the audience?
Thank you, Max, for having me. My name is Adam Vincent, and I am currently CEO and founder of Bricklayer AI. I've spent most of my career at the intersection of data, automation, intelligence, and building products to make analysts faster at their jobs. Prior to Bricklayer, I founded and grew a company called Threat Connect from 0 to about 250 enterprise customers. They were a intelligence, automation, and risk quantification platform. And then prior to that, I was a sales engineer, then started a federal practice and moved on to being a public sector CTO for a company called Layer 7 Technologies that was acquired by Computer Associates. And then before that, I was at the MITRE Corporation and spent a few years there as a senior information security engineer.
Yeah. Well, I can see how all that's led us to where we are today, and Agentic AI is clearly a hot topic right now. So, would you tell us a bit more about Bricklayer?
Sure. So I've spent most of my career trying to figure out how to make analysts faster, and the fact of the matter is that maybe that's not the right answer. So alert volumes are increasing, the complexity of our networks are increasing. And now with AI-based attacks, I think most people believe that we can't respond at human speeds. And so Bricklayer approaches the problem differently. I like to think of us as a staff augmentation company, but instead of providing human staff members to our customers, we're providing AI agents. Our AI agents can be onboarded, trained, and go to work and do human processes using the software and products and processes that our customers already have. And they're purpose-built to augment the team and help them respond faster.
Yeah, appreciate that. And I just want to say, Adam and I have been speaking for a while now, and it's crazy how quickly this market is moving. So people should really follow it closely. Obviously, the reason we're here, we're all going to be at RSA. Where can people find you, and who are you kind of looking to meet whilst there?
Sure. So, Bricklayer staff and our agents will be at RSA meeting customers, which is pretty exciting. Always look forward to seeing everyone in San Francisco every year. In terms of where we're going to be, it's a little bit all over the place. We're being pulled in a lot of different directions. So on Monday, I'm speaking at the AGC conference, mostly doing meetings with investors and partners there. On Tuesday, we are in a consortium of DreamIt portfolio companies for the day. They've brought a number of their portfolio companies together to meet with customers and do some sort of learning type opportunities, some presentations and whatnot. That afternoon, we're part of the AWS CrowdStrike Accelerator, which is doing a event bringing in CISOs and having their portfolio companies or their companies do demos. And then on Wednesday and Thursday, we have a meeting spot that's a short walk away, 15-20 minutes. We all know that short is relative in San Francisco. And so we're going to be meeting with a slew of customers, discussing roadmap and where we're going, and just catching up with friends in the city. So if you'd like to meet, please reach out, and happy to see if we can fit you into the schedule.
Absolutely. Look, we're all going to be doing a lot of steps that week, so I think that's expected. I'll post your details. For anyone interested in meeting Adam, please get in touch with him directly. And Adam, I look forward to seeing you at the DreamIt Cyber Summit, and I'm sure we can grab a beer at some point.
Sounds great, Max. Thank you.
Take care.